In this video, I'll show you how to open and set up a Cash App business account, step by step, so you can start accepting payments the right way. So first things first, go ahead and open the Cash App using the app icon on your phone and give it a second to fully load. Once Cash App is open, look at the top of your screen and tap on your profile icon. After tapping that, you'll be taken to your account menu. Now scroll down a bit until you see the option that says Account and tap on it. Here you'll see that your account is currently set as a personal account. What you want to do now is tap on Personal, then scroll down again until you find the option that says Switch to a business account. Go ahead and tap on that. Cash App will now show you a short page explaining Cash App for Business and how you can sell anytime and anywhere. Just scroll down and tap on Switch to a business account, again to continue. Next, Cash App will ask how your business is organized. Most people will choose individual or sole owner, so select the option that fits your situation. If you're not sure what each option means, you can tap on What does this mean for a quick explanation, then tap Continue once you're ready. Now, before your business account can be fully set up, your personal Cash App account needs to be verified. If your account isn't verified yet, Cash App will prompt you to confirm your identity. Just follow the on-screen steps, enter the required details, and continue. This verification is important because it helps Cash App keep accounts secure and prevents fraud. After verification, you'll be asked to confirm your business details and set up your account to process business payments. Once that's done, your Cash App business account will be active and you'll be able to receive payments as a business directly through Cash App. And that's it. That's how to open and set up a Cash App business account quickly and easily. Finally, since you're managing business payments and sensitive information online, staying secure is important. If you want extra protection, you can check out NordVPN to help keep your data safe, especially on public Wi-Fi. I've left a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.